Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 D300 X-Dynamic SE, with an eye-catching Gondwana Stone exterior complementing the LED headlights. Also coming fitted with gloss black alloy wheels as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. This Defender 110 also comes with a full service history. Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system and then come up to the electric window controls as well as the driver's seat memory function. And then just finishing off at the blind spot assist. This Defender also comes with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, including the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and voice control. And then coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 10-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. This Defender also comes optionally fitted with the air suspension pack, which includes electric air suspension as well as adaptive dynamics. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.